Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to explore the fascinating world of Hindu culture and delve into the significance of the traditional greeting, Namaste. Namaste is a widely recognized gesture in Hinduism that carries deep meaning and respect. In this video, we will discuss why Hindus use Namaste as a formal gesture when greeting someone. So, let's dive in. The word Namaste originates from the ancient Sanskrit language, which is considered the sacred language of Hinduism. The term is a combination of two words, Namat, which means I bow, and Te, which means to you. Thus, Namaste can be translated as I bow to you or I honor the divine within you. Hinduism recognizes the presence of the divine spark within every individual. The greeting Namaste is a way of acknowledging and honoring the divine essence within the person being greeted. Hindus believe that the divine resides within all beings, and by saying Namaste, they are recognizing and respecting the sacredness of the other person's soul. Namaste is not just a verbal greeting, it also involves a specific hand gesture. When performing Namaste, the palms are pressed together in front of the chest, with fingers pointing upwards and thumbs touching the sternum. The act of joining the palms together symbolizes the merging of the individual's higher self with the divine within. One of the core principles of Hindu philosophy is the idea of equality and unity. Namaste serves as a reminder that all individuals are equal and connected on a spiritual level. By performing this greeting, Hindus acknowledge the fundamental unity of all beings, transcending social, cultural, and religious differences. Namaste is a gesture of respect and humility. By bowing the head slightly while saying Namaste, Hindus demonstrate their humility and surrender to the divine presence within others. It signifies that they are willing to set aside their ego and approach others with an open heart and mind. Namaste is believed to have a profound impact on the energy field surrounding individuals. It is said to create a positive and harmonious environment by generating vibrations of love, peace, and compassion. When greeting someone with Namaste, Hindus aim to uplift both their own and the other person's energy, fostering a positive connection. Namaste is not only used as a formal greeting but also finds its place in various religious and cultural ceremonies in Hinduism. It is commonly used when entering temples, during yoga and meditation practices, and in traditional rituals and festivals. In these contexts, Namaste carries an even deeper spiritual significance. In recent years, Namaste has gained popularity outside of Hindu culture. While its widespread use can be seen as a positive embrace of diversity, it is crucial to understand and respect the cultural origins and meaning behind the gesture. Using Namaste authentically and respectfully ensures the preservation of its sacred essence. Namaste is more than just a greeting, it is a profound expression of respect, unity, and spirituality in Hindu culture. By saying Namaste, Hindus acknowledge the divine within themselves and others, fostering a sense of equality, humility, and positive energy. Whether used in formal settings or everyday encounters, Namaste serves as a reminder of our shared humanity and interconnectedness. As we conclude our exploration of this beautiful tradition, let us embrace the essence of Namaste and strive to honor the divine spark within every person we encounter. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video insightful. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to our channel for more cultural explorations. Until next time, Namaste.